Hi, guys, welcome back to Between the Pages. I'm Anna, your resident book lover, and I'm officially a year older since we started this podcast journey. Can you believe it? It's the 52nd episode. I'm really excited because today's episode is going to be all about why I read, why you should read too, and a few tips along the way. So, why do I read? Well, chores को avoid करने के अलावा मजाक कर रही हूँ मम्मी. Um, Reading gives you perspective and it makes you empathetic. When you're reading a book, आप पूरा time character के साथ होते हो. You feel what the character is feeling, which already makes you a lot more understanding. और उसके बाद फिर when the character is going through their lows or when they're going through their highs, you're still with them, right? So this makes you more sensitive, caring, understanding in real life. Another point would be reading makes you a great writer. I can tell you this from experience. Because, when I started reading good books, my writing improved a lot. Like, it was so visible. Because I'll tell you why. Because when I am reading, or when you're reading, good words, the author's writing style and all of that gets into your head. वो दिमाग में चला जाता है. And when you're typing or writing, all of that unconsciously paper पे भी चला जाता है. That's what happens with me. So, yeah, reading also makes you an amazing writer. I have improved a lot. And for those who think that reading is just for nerds, guess what? You're absolutely right. Nerds are awesome. लेकिन सच्ची में there's a quote that goes by every book is not for everybody but there's a book for everyone. And this quote is just so true. मतलब कोई भी कुछ भी बुक उठा सकता है. जैसे जैसे are you feeling adventurous? Pick up a fantasy novel. हंसी चाहिए तुम्हें अपनी जिंदगी में, pick up a comic book that's funny, pick up a book that's hilarious. Are you feeling romantic? Pick up a rom-com. रोना है? Pick up another book. Like, we're living in such an advanced world. Make use of technology, right? मतलब Google कर रहे हो कि books that will make me laugh. And I'll give you an example. We had a guest recently हमारे show पे आए थे विश्वा, and the book he came with was The House by the Cerulean Sea. So I asked him, ki, how did you get to know about this book? And his answer was like, pff, he got it from ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT, guys. What he did was, वो ChatGPT के पास गए and he was like, ki, I want to read this kind of a book and I really like teachers and I'm kind of related to it. So can you help? I mean, I can't really explain what he wrote, but go check out that episode to know how he found out about that book. So yeah, like make use of technology. All right, अभी हम लोग tips पे जाएंगे. Tip number 1, put the book down if you don't like it. And I'm being serious. Put the book down if you don't like it. मतलब, why do you have to read a book that you're not liking? No, you're not supposed to be forced into reading. You're supposed to like reading. You're supposed to do it by your own inner instinct, I guess. like खुद से आना चाहिए कि I want to read this book. मतलब ये बुक नहीं पसंद आ रही है, छोड़ दो. दुनिया में हजारों बुक्स हैं, यही बुक पे अटके रहना जरूरी नहीं है. छोड़ दो, ठीक है, छोड़ दो. कोई और बुक पसंद आ जाएगी तुम्हें. Why are you getting stuck on this particular book? छोड़ दो, वापस आ जाना when you feel like it. Tip number 2. Are you a beginner? Start with short stories and comics. If you're into anime, read mangas. Read simple, funny comics like Supandi, Tinkle. And short stories में I would definitely recommend Roald Dahl and Sudha Murthy. Their stories are just, I cannot explain them in words. All right. Tip number 3, switch from audiobooks and physical books. This tip I haven't tried in real life yet, but I'll tell you why I wrote this down. So we had a guest called Sanket on our show as well. And he was visually impaired, so he couldn't read books. So he listened to them. And when he had come to our show after the shoot, he was talking to us. And like the way he spoke about how he listened to books and like रीडिंग अगर आपका क्या बोलते हैं पढ़ने में आप स्लो हो ना तो ऑडियो बुक्स में वो इतना यूज टू हो गए थे बुक्स सुनने में आप गेस नहीं कर पाओगे वो कितनी स्पीड में बुक्स पढ़ते थे 800 वर्ड्स पर मिनट मैंने वो ट्राई करा सुनने की ऐसे लग रहा था वो मुझे बट ही कुड अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ इट एंड ही प्रूव्ड इट टू मी so and I'll tell you a personal experience also when I'm traveling I just can't seem to focus on reading books and I'm not really a music person but I listen to music then so I think I should try reading listening to audiobooks so फिर ना I'm advancing on the book that I am reading currently but by listening to it and I think everyone needs a change आप एक ही चीज़ पे अड़े नहीं रह सकते हो आपको चेंज करनी पड़ेगी so it's a great way and I know a lot of people who do both and they seem to enjoy it so why not tip number 4 Kindle is a great investment and I completely agree because आई नो हम सबको फिजिकल कॉपीज ज़्यादा पसंद होती होगी एंड यू नो बुक शेल्फ पे हमारी सारी बुक्स पड़ी हुई है लाइंड है दे आर सो गुड लुकिंग राइट बट कभी कभी किंडल काम में आ जाता है इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट it's a great investment क्योंकि like when you're traveling and if you're a fast reader you can't take 20 books with you right you just take a small Kindle and it's always there with you and all your 20 plus some more books are there with you on the Kindle right and it's light so हर जगह आप लेकर जा सकते हो उसको and speed बढ़ जाती है ना तो you can't keep buying books like नहीं हो पाता है और Kindle also is a big motivator क्योंकि उसके नीचे दिखाता है 40% of the book done, 50% of the book done, this much time left to finish your book. So it's like, oh my god, मैंने 50% of the book ख़त्म कर दी और कर लेती हूँ और थोड़ा पढ़ लेती हूँ हो जाएगा So Kindle is a great investment. Number 5. If you think आपके पास रीडिंग का टाइम नहीं है ना I would call it excuses. Like excuses. आपकी प्रायोरिटीज इज ऑल दैट मैटर्स राइट अगर आप रीडिंग अपनी प्रायोरिटी नहीं समझते हो आप कभी नहीं पढ़ पाओगे कभी आपको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा बुक्स पढ़ने के लिए बट इफ यू मेक इट अ प्रायोरिटी you'll get it done. Let me give you a simple tip, extra tip here कि आप 5 मिनट सिर्फ 5 मिनट पढ़ो सोने से पहले सिर्फ 5 मिनट पढ़ लिया करो कभी उठकर 5 मिनट पढ़ लिया करो make it a priority to read at least 5 minutes a day if you want to get the habit of reading. मतलब ट्रैवल करते वक्त भी आप पढ़ सकते हो ऑफिस जा रहे हो बुक पढ़ लो स्कूल जा रहे हो बुक पढ़ लो there's always time आप बस ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपको and you have to try. And tip number 6 is read books Anna suggests and I think that's great advice guys. Check out our Instagram page for short book reviews between the pages _BTP and check out our YouTube channel for detailed book reviews. And there's one last thing I'd like to tell you before I end this video. Reading is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. It's a way to live 1,000 lives. It's a way to make 1,000 friends. It's a way to feel 1,000 emotions. It's a way to see the world through countless perspectives. So, what are you waiting for? अपने next adventure के लिए तैयार हो जाओ और अपनी new book उठाओ. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do that because it's free and I'll meet you guys next Sunday. Happy reading! La 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 la